So at first open any browser on your mobile. I will open Opera Mini and here type Bhairab dot blogspot dot com. Open this 46 best LMC preset. After clicking on this article, you will redirect it on this page. Now go to any of this link. I will go with Mega. Look at this corner. Click this. Click on continue and file will be downloaded. Now close all this and open your file manager. Go to download and search 46 LMC preset as written here. The file is here. Now click on extract the file. Open this, select all this, now press copy. Click back and search LMC, which is your version. I have 8.4, so here is 8.4 written. Open this and copy here. Now open your LMC app. Here are all presets. Import any of this. After importing the presets, you can click which are according to your requirement, and my personal preference for your presets are one click edit and pixel ultra color variant.